Hey everyone, did you know Backpack is a secure self-custodial multi-chain wallet supporting Solana, Ethereum, Sonic and more with over 500,000 monthly active users across 150 plus countries. In this video, we will learn how to set up Backpack wallet with just a few clicks. Go to Backpack homepage and click Chrome extension. All the links are mentioned in the description below for easy reference. Confirm the pop-up tab to add extension. Click I agree to terms of service. Choose create a new wallet. Select one or more networks. You can always change this later. For this video, we will go with Solana. Click set up wallet. Next you'll be prompted to set up a password. Remember, this password will unlock your wallet only on this device. Click next. Then you'll be prompted to open your wallet. Click open Backpack and then next click on secure your wallet. Enter your password. Now this is a very important step. A seed phrase will be generated. This seed phrase is the master key to your wallet and funds on chain. Click I understand. This is the only way to recover my wallet. Click backup now. You can use this key to access your funds from any device via Backpack wallet on the chain. Write it on a piece of paper and store it safely. It may be required later on to restore your wallet. Never store it digitally, either in the form of a photo or any other form. Remember, whoever has access to this key has access to your funds on this wallet. Click confirm. Next you'll be prompted to confirm the seed phrase. Choose the correct seed phrases. Congratulations! Your Backpack wallet is protected and ready to use. We have seen how to add Backpack wallet extension to your browser. You can follow the same steps to install the wallet on your mobile by going to the App Store on Android or iOS. Now that you're familiar with setting up Backpack wallet, you may also explore RocketX app that simplifies crypto trading and helps you get the best rate with every swap by comparing rates across 500 plus leading exchanges. Compare rates and Ape Smart. Please check the video link in the description below for how to RocketX video tutorial. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.